It's happening again. We're having another blow to the yarn community. I cannot believe this is happening. It just seems like it's one store after another that's closing or making shipping unavailable to the country that we live in. After releasing my recent video, I had so many comments, over 250 of them, that I have hopefully replied to every single person, and lots of people brought to my attention that Joann Fabrics stores are closing. And I know that a lot of my viewers are in the US and are going to be affected by this. My heart goes out to you, because when your favourite shop shuts, it has all your favourite things. So for me, it would be the yarn department. And if you're watching this video, it's probably one of your favourite sections as well. But I did hear a little bit of good news that is coming out of the Joann store closing. The comments were so informative, and I learnt things that I didn't even know was happening in the crafting world. Hirschner's has picked up the Big Twist yarns and is going to be selling that on their website. So if you have access to that website and they ship to your country, then that is awesome. What is another yarn that Joann Fabrics sell or sold, if your store's already closed, that you would like another company to pick up? Maybe even Hirschner's. Would you like them to pick up another yarn line that Joann's has? What was your favourite? Was it a colour changing yarn, the blanket yarn? I know lots of people make the plushies or the aragurumi toys, or is it just aragurumi? Lots of people making them anyway. So I know that they use that plushy chenille velvet yarn. I've seen lots of awesome creations with that. Here in Australia, we have Spotlight and Lincraft as our main big box stores. They are big craft stores that are available, I'm pretty sure, all over Australia. But I did find out in the comments section in my previous video that I made, and I did actually do some research, that Lincraft is actually closing some of their stores. I don't think it's all of their stores, it's just some of their stores. If Lincraft closes down, we are going to be left with Spotlight. Spotlight sells yarn, fabric, homeware, goods. In my mind, I'm walking around the shop. It sells fabric, it sells sewing supplies, machines, upholstery fabric, and it has blinds and curtains and bed sheets and towels and things like that. I went to my local Spotlight recently and I made a purchase for some yarn that I needed to make a project. I had a look around the yarn department and I wasn't that impressed. There's lots of yarns, but you know what I mean? Like, there's lots of yarns, but you're not in love with all those yarns, and some of them you think, why is this even a thing? I know there are plenty of other yarns which are amazing that aren't in Spotlight, so there's that as well. They do sell all different types of yarn. They will sell the blanket yarn, the cotton, acrylic, what else is there? All those things. They sell those, but they are more of a budget-friendly yarn. You wouldn't get expensive yarn very expensive yarn in Spotlight, because that's just not what they sell there. If you're an Aussie watching this, do you have a favourite Spotlight yarn? I'd love to know. I do like a few of them. And when there's a sale, I definitely go in and have a little look just to see what they've got. Let me know what you are crocheting, what is on your hook. At the moment, I am filming a video tutorial for a crochet bow. You may have seen the live for that was here on YouTube. If not, it doesn't matter. You'll see the tutorial when it comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy crochet. Bye. Yeah, crash bang.